Hello and welcome back to my channel Best of Everyday Life. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to push subscribe button and let's start cooking together. On my channel, you can find many recipes that are very tasty and easy to cook. Today I would like to share with you recipe of an amazing chocolate cake with almonds in the microwave. It takes less than 2 minutes to prepare and my family loves it so much. If I got you interested in trying this easy dessert, then let's start cooking. I will list all the ingredients in the description below. To prepare our cake, we will need 1 teaspoon of Nutella, 1 egg, about 1 tablespoon of almonds, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 145 grams of super moist devil's food cake mix. In a small mixing bowl, combine an egg and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Then use handheld mixer to mix it all together really well. Next, let's add our cake mix and then mix everything together again. First, I start mixing without turning on the mixer. And then when I see that everything starts coming together, I'm gonna turn on the mixer and blend everything together really well. Everything is mixed very nice, and in the next step we are gonna add our almonds. This is a consistency you would like to get in the end after mixing. Now we're gonna transfer it into the cup. I'm using big glass cup and transferring all my cake batter into it. I'm using a second spoon to scrape everything into the cup. Then I'm evening out the cake batter in the cup. Cup has to be 1/2 or less full because your cake batter will expand in the microwave. Now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of Nutella in the middle of your cake batter. Do not mix it together, just spoon it in the middle and slightly cover it with cake batter. Then place your cake in the microwave for 1 minute and 35 seconds. If you like super moist cakes, you can shorten the cooking time to 1 minute and 15 seconds. After 1 minute and 35 seconds, I took my cake out of the microwave and check it with a toothpick. I do not like super moist cakes, so I have to always check it. It was very well done. Eventually, I'm going to be decorating it with whipped cream on top, but before that, I would like to show you the consistency of the cake itself. You can see that this cake has a very light consistency. It's so light and fluffy like a cloud. Let's try how it tastes. It's so delicious. Can you imagine how tasty it's gonna be when I will add whipped cream on top? This is such an easy treat for a busy day, busy night, or unexpected holidays. I hope you are gonna like this recipe. I usually decorate this cake with a whipped cream. I just use a regular whipped cream, spread it everywhere. It tastes so delicious. Please give me thumbs up if you enjoyed cooking with me. If you like my video, please leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to push notification button so you will get notified when new videos will be uploaded on my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I wish you the best of everyday life, and I will see you soon in my next videos.